Hi students, moving on to multiplication of decimal as unit of measurement. Most of us are pretty familiar with multiplication of numbers with single digit or double digit. So today we will get an additional involvement of decimal. So with decimal, how do we multiply with single digit or double digit? Okay, so let's carry on. So, uh, so on page 80, okay, this is what we're going to do. So it's basically a decimal with it's just a two-digit number multiplied by a single-digit number with a decimal point. So using one of the example E, so 3.6 times 6 is just like a normal two-digit times a single-digit number. Just ignore the decimal at the beginning. 6 times 6 is 36. So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So now we've got to decide where to put the decimal point. Since there's only one digit that is behind decimal place, okay, so that's why we also move one decimal point backwards to get the answer. And you can do a simple estimation. 3 times 6 is close to 18. So answer must be close to 18. It can't be 2.16 as the answer, isn't it? Right? So 8n. Okay, why don't you give it a try? Pause the video, give it a try, 8n. See whether you get the same answer as me. Okay? Yep, we're done. So 29.2 meters times 2. So again, 2 times 2 is 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So how many digits are there behind the decimal point? There's only one digit behind the decimal point. Therefore, we also move one decimal point behind. My answer will be 58.4 meters. Quite easy, isn't it? Okay, let's move on. So what about, problem solving questions like this? You have price tag for various items. So let's find out the cost of 7 scissors. So one of the components, you got to find the estimate first. So for scissors, one pair of scissors is $3.10. So the estimated price will be close to $3. So since 7 pair, there will be $21. Okay, that's the estimated cost. So to find the actual price will be $3.10 times 7, and that gives me $21.70. So the actual answer is actually quite close to the estimate, isn't it? Okay, do the same for the rest of the question. Okay, moving on to page 98. Okay, so bigger numbers now. Okay, no longer 2 digit by 1 digit. Now is 4 digit by 1 digit. Still the same concept. So let's use J as an example. $256.28 times 8. So same thing. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 6 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 50. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So how many digits are behind the decimal places? There are 2 of them. So I also move 2 decimal places backwards. Okay. So that's how you get $2,050.24. $2,050.24. That's right. Moving on. This part quite interesting. Okay, it can be confusing. Okay, first you're supposed to use the rounding off process using the first example. 5.905 is close to 6. So bear in mind 5.905 to get 6, you have rounded up the process. So that's how 6 times 8 is 48. So therefore the answer must be smaller than 48. Okay, this is what it means. Okay, that's how you answer the question. Got it? Okay. So, and then moving on, you're supposed to find the cost of various items that you're going to buy from the shop. So again, work it out. I've done one question for you. 3 loaves of bread and 2 liters of milk. So you put them together. You need paper and pen. Okay, guys, no calculators. And then from here, you get the answer, $8.05. And then solve the rest. Okay, likewise, you need paper and pen, guys. Don't take the shortcut, because in the exam you will not be given a chance to use calculator. So guys, let's practice on how to multiply involving decimal. And last question here is about estimation. Okay, you're supposed to get 7 of one item, 9 of another item, and the cost is actually between $26 and $29. So think through carefully. You're going to buy about what, 7 7 of one item and 9 of another item. So my advice to you is use the estimation method. Okay, see to see which figures when you multiply by 7 and 9 eventually you end up very close to 26 and $29. Okay, got it? So we will discuss this further when we meet in our next lesson. So do drop me a note on Teams or direct message if you need any support from me. Okay, bye bye.